Welcome to Statistical Process Control, SPC, Training 2019 video, powered by tonex.com. SPC, Statistical Process Control is technique for estimating and controlling quality by checking the assembling process. Quality information is gathered as item or process estimations or readings from different machines or instrumentation. The information is gathered and used to assess, screen and control a process. Prerequisite. Members don't require an earlier learning of measurements as the course will start with a session on essential statistics. However, knowing about arithmetic, for instance pass leaving certificate level, will be useful in understanding the statistical ideas displayed on the course. Who should join? Product managers and team leaders, quality engineers, process engineers and technicians, staff concerned with controlling and monitoring manufacturing processes. Topics covered: Introduction to SPC, basic statistical concepts, types of control chart, calculating control limits, variables control charts, uses of control charts, process capability, process control v process capability, capability indices, CP, CPK, PP, PPK, attribute control charts. Example of SPC software, Minute App. Process capability and Six Sigma. Company implementation. Training objectives. Comprehend SPC and fundamental statistical ideas. Comprehend diverse sorts of control graph and characterize control limits. Comprehend the ideas of process control and process capacity. Investigate kinds of SPC software, for example, Minute App. Comprehend the relationship of SPC to Six Sigma. Comprehend statistical control standards, for example, variation and non-ordinary variation. Figure out how to make control graphs in Excel with the data analysis include. Figure out how to utilize Minute App to calculate distinct insights for an informational index. Distinguish the distinction between unique cause variation and common cause variation. Comprehend the guideline of process capacity and how to calculate it. Get familiar with the methodology behind utilizing control outlines and their breaking points. Adjust it to the IAS Clean Six Sigma Green Belt body of knowledge. Make various types of control diagrams, including X bar R, X bar S, variable data, attribute data, and then some. Course agenda. Statistical control principles. Process capability. SPC control. SPC control charts. Aren't you interested in SPC training? Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about SPC course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website link www.tonex.com.